Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today we're going to be playing with some slime. Okay, it has been a long time since I've talked to you guys. A lot has happened. People have passed away, like my pap. So I haven't just been into it, you know. So yeah, we're going to be taking some fluffy slime that I have. And we're going to be, it was made with Jock Glue and Stay Flow. And I colored them with all kinds of different colors, you know, just to see. And we're going to get started. So first I have this light blue. Here, show you guys what's called. Put it back more. Okay, it's called Key West. It will focus. Well, it says Key West, so. And now we're going to do with this darker blue. Kind of guys see the difference. But yeah, we're going to put these two together. Both blues. And then this one is called Dim Blue. The numbers are 21482E. There's an E, so sorry. I mean 21481. This is for this one. And yeah. And now we have this slimy green. I'm not gonna put that one down yet. Let's go with this bright red. Let's put paint on it from previous things. It doesn't really turn red, it turns like a pink. So yeah, let's put this down. Okay, and then we have this candy pink. Okay. Here it is. Bro, I actually really like this one. I'm kind of sad to let it go, but you know, I can make a new one. So, yeah. And if my grandma comes down here, I'm sorry. And then I have this pink Fair Fate. Can't really see it, but the numbers are... Yeah, bro, I can't read that. Okay, here it is. It is a super light pink. Like the blue. It's like a baby pink, let's say that. And... Hold on, guys. Something is wrong. Okay, guys. Hey, I'm back. I just had to fix my chair. It's like, I don't know what's wrong with it, but... Okay, let's just put this one in here. Ow. So there's that one. Ow, my hands are freaking cold. Have you ever got, like, your hands to be cold whenever you play with slime so much that it's happening to me right now? Okay, and then now we have this purple. Okay, guys, and I'm not putting it in the slime. I'm just like doing this. Okay, guys, so there's that one. The name of it is, hold on. The name of it is called Paint Purple. Okay, guys, there's that one. And then I have this orange that is Spice Carrot. It's like a really dark orange. But yeah, there's that one. And we only have 2 more left, guys. So, yeah. Okay, let's just mix that in. And pretty sure spiced carrot. Okay, now for the orange one. This one's like a, you know that gum that's green and it tastes like peppermint, I'm pretty sure. No, I don't remember what it is, but this is it. It's just like same exact color. So yeah. Okay, and there's not that much of it because like I didn't really separate the colors out evenly. But this one is called Parakeet. Okay guys, that's the best I can do. And then guys, for the last and not least, the final color, just guess. I'll give you a countdown. 5, 4, oh wait, hold on. You guys are trying to guess the color? Do you guys know that? Okay. I'll give you a countdown to subscribe and, wait, hold on. How do I put this? Okay guys, I'm going to give you a countdown to subscribe and like the video, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys like the video and subscribe, thank you. Okay guys, so comment what you guys think the last color is. It's not a color a lot of people like. Okay, that's that, okay? You know. And if you get it right, I'll be liking your comment and commenting back to you. My gosh, I can't speak. This is the green, not the color. Okay, guys. If you guys guessed, ready? You guys know what it is? It's brown. A poopy color. Okay, guys, so here's this. Guys see it? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna put this in. The name of it is brown oxidized. I don't know. But here you go. There you guys go. See? Here are all my paints. They aren't all my paints, but they're the paints that I used. I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 paints, guys. That's 9 little slimes that were made. Wish I could have made it 10 to make it even, but you know, I didn't have enough, so yeah. Hey guys, I'll be back. Oh, sorry guys. So my grandma's coming down, so just, yeah, bear with me. I want to show her this. So, but don't bear with me, just like, don't be mean to her because she's going through a lot, so, yeah. She's coming down. I'm just like trying to fix it up, you know. It honestly looks like a snake, you know. Like, look. Okay, guys. So, wait for my grandma to come down. Okay, look what I made. 9 little slimes.
Huh.
I'm gonna mix them. You ready? Ready? Look how cool that looks.
That's neat.
I love you. I think he's honestly going to turn a brown color because there's orange and brown. So yeah. Yeah, guys, it's turning brown. Back in the fancy, I'm all with you to the end, girl. Oh, that's warm. I love it. Come on, bro. Get my hands on. Okay, guys, so there it is. Guys, I'm gonna try and make a one of those bubbles. So. Oh! Oh baby, oh baby. I'm gonna find the container for this one. So I'm gonna see it. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, if you want more, keep watching. And I had a few videos from like 2 or 3 months ago. 2 or 3 months ago, somewhere around there. Like 1 or 2 or 3 months ago. So you guys can go watch them. Some of them are with my cousins, my sisters, LOL, makeup, and slime. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed, remember to like and subscribe. And yeah, go follow me on my Instagrams. My Instagram is SwankMia. So yeah. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.